Hey y'all, check these out. Aren't they pretty? So these are 5 of my favorite bracelets. I sell them as, I don't know if you can see, I sell them as a set called Lisa's Fave. And these are actually going out. I have to package them up quickly and get them to the post office. This is a rush order. This is the one that I came in the other night to finish. I'm trying to get, so you can see the pretty colors. Yes, this is the one I came in late to do. Finished it up late last night. Could have used 2 full days to make these, but hey, aim to please. So I don't know if you can really see how pretty, but they're gorgeous. I've never made them in these colors. This is all chocolate leather. This is the first time I made the set in all one complete color, so I just love it. It's gorgeous, and I know I'm not even doing it justice. Like, you really have to see it to believe it in person. Plus, I'm trying to videotape at the same time with just 1 cup of coffee, and it's hard to do. Anyway, check it out. It's a little less expensive ordering them together as a set than it is if you bought them separately. Lisa's Faves. Love them.